guys, today I'm drawing a face inspired by Van Gogh's Starry Night. This girl has the painting inside of her hair. First, I'm going in with my Pitt Artist pens to outline the basic features of the painting. Then I'm drawing her face, and as you can see, her earrings are also inspired by the painting. And now I'm going in with my watercolors with the same kinds of brush strokes as you can see in Van Gogh's work. So it kind of has the same feel, but more individualized, more fashion flair. You can play with different shades of blue, yellow, green. I'm mixing a skin tone. Putting in some cheeks. Dab off anytime you don't like the way the color's flowing. You could always dab it off, the excess. I always keep tissues nearby so I can use them as I paint. So while we're doing one part of the drawing, the other one dries at the same time, so we can go back into our work with more intense colors and do more dimension in the drawing, in the painting. And I go back and forth from the top of the hair to the face and back down throughout the creation of this picture. I just thought it would be fun to do a series on girls or fashion girls inspired by famous paintings. Inspiration is everywhere. We can get inspired to create something unique and whimsical. Hope you liked it. Bye-bye.